you ever recommended anything to anyone? A book, a film, maybe a restaurant, something like that? I mean, I think most of us have. But the thing about that is, did anyone pay you for that? Give you some money for sending someone along to the cinema because you recommended a film? Probably not. And that can lead to hundreds of people doing exactly the same thing. You know, if I like a good film, I'm telling everyone about it and then they tell other people. I mean, it's just what we do. In fact, we do that more than we're likely to recommend something that's been advertised on the television, because most of us know that celebrities probably don't use that makeup or that skincare. Some of them do, obviously, but yeah, we trust it. We trust our friends and colleagues, our family, more than we do advertising. When I was in my late 50s, my husband asked for a divorce, and I was working as an actor, I still am. I was also working as a life coach and EFT practitioner, I still am. But I knew I needed something else as well. And it had to be flexible, it had to fit around everything else. And I wanted it to create for me a pension, because actually I didn't have any pension. And that was going to be a real problem, because state pension, let's face it, and I'm 67 right now, is not enough to give us a great retirement. At some point, I will want to, you know, maybe just do a bit of volunteer work rather than working for, you know, working an hour and getting paid an hour. So I need something really, really desperately, and a friend of mine introduced me to a company I'd never heard of, so naturally I thought they probably weren't very good. I tried some of the products, like the ones I'm using now. Makeup, skincare, nutrition, and actually I absolutely loved the results I was getting. I loved the way they made me feel. I loved the way I looked using them. I loved the ethos of the company, B Corp. Obviously not tested on animals, transparent, use ingredients, no gluten, no dairy, no nasties. That's all about me. I want to live a healthy, happy life and feel good for the rest of my life. So I was very, very happy to switch my brand to this brand that my friend recommended it. And you know what? I've been using it for over 10 years now, using it and loving it. And they're constantly updating the products, making them even better each time. And I'm buying them every single month and loving them. And it's not just me that benefits. I refer other people too. I show them how to get an amazing discount. 10, 20, 35, even sometimes 40% discount. Get their products delivered to their door. And some people even show them how to do what I do. Let's face it, I'm going to be recommending forever because I totally believe in what I use. And I like the results. Some people are interested in what I recommend, other people aren't, and that's okay, because we're all different, aren't we? But that's what I'm doing to create my pension. So if any of what I've said is of interest and you can resonate, why not send me a DM? Message me, reach out.